On myself, Sinistan, studying in 8th standard. Today I'm telling about the fun they had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that even he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages when were yellow and crinked, and it was funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know, thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is M. Vaishnavi. I'm studying in 8th standard. Today I am going to tell a short para of contractors. Contractors practice hard most at beginnings in 1982 with a staff of two. Today the firm has over 350 employees including senior associates, contractors, interior designers, draftsmen, a civil engineering team, and architectural support staff. The firm has designed and executed the wide range and architectural projects like hotels, hospitals, corporate offices, banking and financial institutions, recreation and sports facilities, townships, airports, railway stations, urban planning and civil redevelopment projects. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ibumaja. Today I am take the slot where she had to put homework and test the papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The inspector had smiled and patted Margie's head after he had finished. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault. Miss Jones, the geography sector was get a little too quickly. Thus things happen. Sometimes I slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is viewed satisfactorily, and he patted Margie's head again. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Beanie Arika. I am studying in 8th standard. Today, I am taking lesson is the fun they had. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the papers, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they are supposed to on a screen, you know. And then we turned back to the page before. It had the same words on it that it had when they read it first time. Thank you."
Good morning everyone, my name is Sairam. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am reading the lesson. Name is In the Bazaar of Hyderabad. What do you sell? Oh, a merchant. Nicely your wares are displayed. Ribbons of crimsons and silvers, tenses of purple brocade, mirror with panels of amber, dangle with hands of jade. What do you wait? Oh, a vendor, saffron and lentil and rice. What do you bring? Oh, a minders. Sandalwood, henna, and spice. What do you call? Oh, a pendles. Chessman and Invory dice. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Syed Abdul Rahman. I am from 6th standard. Today I am reading a lesson. The name of the lesson is Children Speak Up. Hello, I am Seven Suzuki, speaking for ECO, the Environmental Children's Organization. We are a group of 4, 12 and 13 years old from Canada, trying to make a difference. Venice City, Morgan, Alicia, Michele Green, and me. We raised all the money ourselves to come 16,000 miles to tell you adults that we must change our ways. I am here to speak for all future generations to come. I am here to speak on behalf of all the starving children around the world whose cries go unheard. I am here to speak for the countless animals dying across this planet because they have. Everyone, my name is Shochira. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am reading Tanaji Malasur. This is a story from Maharashtra and very inspiring story of a brave warrior. Tanaji Malasur was the name of the warrior. Still no episode in Maharashtra history has moved the heart of the people as deeply the death of Tanaji Malasur, the warrior of Singhahat, the lion fall. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshavardhan. I am from 6th grade. Today I am reading the lesson Trees and Harmony. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds and snakes, insects. They all lived together happily. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Jibril. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to read a lesson. The lesson name is Telangana, the period of the people. One day, Rip just walked on and reached the highest part of the mountains. It was late in the afternoon. When he reached there, tired after his long climb, he lay down and began dreaming. It was soon be evening, and he realized it would be night by the time he reached his village. Suddenly, he heard a voice calling out, "Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle." He looked around and saw old man with thick hair and a grizzled beard walking towards him with a barrel. He made signs to help him carrying the barrel. Rip here to help the stranger who catch his hand tightly. Together they reached a place where there were some more odd-looking short men playing nine pills. They were all dressed the same way, and all of them had beards of various shapes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is P. Nikhil. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am reading a lesson. The lesson name is Children Speak Up. Hello, I am Severin Suzuki speaking for ECO, the Environmental Children's Organization. We are a group of 4, 12 and 13 years old from Canada trying to make a organization. We are a group for 12 and 13 years old from Canada trying to make a difference. Vanessa, Steve, Morgan, Geisler, Mitchell, Twig and me, we raised all the money ourselves to come 6,000 miles to tell you adults that you must change your ways. I am here to speak for all future generations to come. I am here to speak on behalf of all the starving children around the world whose cries go unheard. I am here to speak for the countless animals dying across this planet because they have nowhere left to go. Thank you, everyone.
I am Varshit. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am reading lesson Plant a Tree. Trees are most useful thing in the world. Children play under them and travelers rest in their cool shadow. Trees give us fruit to eat, firewood to burn. We build houses and make furniture with wood of the trees. Hello everyone, my name is Roshni. I am from 5th grade. I am reading a lesson. Lesson name is The Silent One. Helen Keller was born in Alabama in 1880. When she was a little baby, she loved playing and exploring. But when she just a little over 1 year old, she got very ill. Her illness took away her sight and hearing. Imagine not being able to see or hear anything. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected principals and madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jason. I am studying in 5th grade. Today's lesson name is The Art of Friendship. One day, Meena answered, Meena, we have new family in our neighborhood. They have a daughter, Tara. How he just has about has she your age too. Mina's up her face slightly. Tara, she's the quiet girl from school who always is at the back. She never practices in colorful or painting competition. Thank you.
Everyone, respected principals, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Shanvi from 5th grade. Today, my topic is about the missing painting. Mr. Kapoor and her team organized a big art show. At the end of the day, they discovered that a very important painting named The Golden Sunrise was missing. Mr. Kapoor was especially fond of this painting, so they called the police right away. Thank you.
Madam, teachers and my dear friend, my name is Zainab Begum. I am from 5th grade. Today I am reading lesson name is The Missing Painting. Mr. Kapoor and her team organized a big art. Mr. Kapoor and her team organized a big art show. At the end of the day, they discovered that a very important painting named The Golden Sunrise was missing. Mr. Kapoor was especially fond of this painting, so they called the police right away. Thank you.